Thanks again for tuning in to another video. This video will be showing you how to set up your Google Classroom for the first time. I'll be using a smart TV. You go to Chrome on your browser or any browser of your choice. Then you go to google.com and then you'll go to Google Classroom. There are many steps you can take to do this, but I chose this step because it is easier for me. Once you get into this section, you will try another account. You should have a previous Gmail address there. Most persons, you use another account. So you will go and add your MOE email address that was given to you. Now, when you enter your email address, you will go ahead in this section here where it asks for email. You enter the email address that was given to you by your teacher or your supervisor if you're a teacher. Once you enter your email address, you will click next. Now remember, this is only to show you how to set up. You will actually need your Google app as well, where you can do your classroom assignments and other work. Once you enter the email address, remember the email address has to end with moeschools.edu.jm. Once you enter, you click next, then you enter your password. Now the password given to you is changeable, so you can go into your settings afterwards and change the password that was given to you by your teacher. From here, when you click next, you should be signing in. Then you accept the Google terms and conditions and you click next again. So here it is getting your account information. If it's entered incorrectly, they will ask you to retry. Now you will select your account that you created just now. Once you get into this area, to select the account, you will join class. When you join class, you will switch the account because the old account is still there. When you click switch account, you will see your MOE email address. Select that one. Once you select the email address, you will be notified to continue to Google Classroom. Here you will be clicking continue. It is showing you now that you're signed into your email address from the Ministry of Education. Click continue and then you would select student if you're a student, teacher if you're a teacher. You will join class next. Once you join class, you will reach into the classroom where you will be able to do the changes of your password. You'll be able to see any update the teacher posts on the stream. You will see the classwork that she posts, and you can also see your classmate and teacher. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment if you enjoy this video, and to look out for my next video, which will be showing you how to actually download the Google app to your smart device. I'll still be using a smart TV. Thanks again for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.